Hello there, Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on a brand new 2020 Sea Ray SLX 400 outboard. Very excited to show you this boat. Starting at the transom, power plant is triple Mercury 350 Verados, supercharged L6 motor, very smooth, efficient, lots of power when you need it, really propels the boat along well. Nice big swim platform off the back of the boat. Room to walk across either way, so whether you tie up on the port or starboard side, it's easy to get inside of the boat. Large sun pad back here. You want to lay out, catch some rays, go swimming, this is your space to do it. Nice little feature here, this does open up to really direct the party towards the fold down swim platform. We call this the teak beach, so to speak. It's a great place to lay out, go out across the water. Also gives you a little bit of extra space here when you're entertaining. As you walk into the main cockpit, you get a stereo control right here. Nice entertainment space, twin electric grills, pressurized water system, refrigerator, garbage, again really everything you need to set out a nice spread, spend the afternoon on the water. Seating off to the port side, large L-shaped seating, large teak table. This does lift up to give you a little better access. As you can see, we have the Sure Shade deployed all the way out, gives you lots of extra shade on the back of the boat. Of course, you want more sun, just roll it back and away you go. As you move forward here, you can see it's really all about entertaining. There's just space everywhere on this boat to put people. You could have 10 people on here, back here adults, 4 kids in the front, and still have some room to spare. As you move towards the helm seat, dual helm chairs, large Simrad 12-inch screens. It's all going to be touchscreen. You can run everything on the boat here, whether you're turning lights on and off, putting the boat into party mode, or you're going to have your engine management information and the GPS. All that's run right through here. I mentioned before the triple Verados. That's going to be run up here from the helm as well. Standard DTS binnacle box, as well as joystick, which is going to give you joystick docking real easy. But that also incorporates into the autopilot, so you can adjust your heading right from the joystick. Of course, you're going to have skyhook on there as well. Flip up bolster seats. Another great feature, this seat does swivel all the way around. Help you kind of join the party when you really want that extra space. It's going to have the flip up bolster also. But again, all about the entertainment space, right? So as we move forward here, one level all the way throughout the boat. There's no steps to trip on, no walking up and down. Really easy to access. Great bow seating. You have 3 forward-facing seats, flip-down armrests, cup holders tucked out of the way, stereo control for the bow as well. Again, more seating. Table option here, also a bow fill-in cushion, so you can turn this into one big sun pad. You're going to have access to your windlass up here, as well as a freshwater rinse down. Again, teak flooring all throughout. Really just the nice features you're going to come to expect on a Sea Ray. So we move down below. I'd be remiss not to show you the cabin on this boat, because for a 40-foot dayboat, you're not going to find more space. As we climb in here, you get a microwave, refrigerator, television with a Bose soundbar, table seating. Again, this drops down, makes another sleeping area. Full head with vacuum flush and the shower option that will rinse you off if you did want to take the afternoon shower in there. So in the mid cabin of the big berth, you have a very large berth sleeping area. Again, room for 2. You could really sleep 4 people in here for a nice weekend. 2020 Sea Ray SLX 400, the entertainer. Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram. Give us a call, stop on in the store. We would love to put you on the water on this one. You're going to love how it runs.